Hi friends, today I'm going to show you XFace 100 device. This device is AI dynamic visible light fingerprint and face recognition device from the Zacket Echo. So first we open the box. So in the box we have the main unit of the device, door access cable, one of the power adapter if you want to use the power adapter, screw for the device to be mounted on the wall, and one converter for the power adapter. So we take everything from the box we put at the side here. So this is the complete package of the device. This device we can use it with our software check time, so we generate all the reports and manage all the employee time attendance. So we have this everything we have put on the side. We use power adapter to power the device. So we have power adapter plug in. Now we just take out the device from the box. So this is the device is main unit. After that, the device fingerprint, screen, camera, visible light, and the keypad. So this is the behind is the wall mount bracket for the device. It's easily can mount on the wall. This you have to screw the bracket on the wall first, then after this mount the device on the this one. Then we have here LAN cable jack and power jack, and after this is door access jack. So we are going to plug in the power here. This small button is the temper button. So once you install with the door access, this button will press. If somebody vandalisms your device or forcefully take out the device, so device can trigger the alarm. So this is the device. This device can hold 1500 face, 2000 fingerprint. It can access with the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Devices, you can see the device, fingerprint, screen, the camera for the face, the keypad for you to register, and below the device we have one USB port and a reset button, very small hole here for the reset. So if device hang or something, you can take soft paper clip and poke something inside to be reset the device. So the USB to be download the data in the USB if you don't have access through the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. So behind the device we have the power jack. I just plug in the power, okay, and the LAN cable, and we have the door access jack here. So there's a small temper button here. The temper button means if you install this device on the wall with the door access, with the help of this plate like this, so this button will press. Now if somebody dismantle the device from there, so this one is trigger the alarm for you to, this is just small safety feature in case you using the device for the door access. So now we come to the device scanning. Device can scan the face from the maximum 2 meter. So we can try register one. Go to user manage, press OK. New user, user ID, whatever user ID you want you can put in here. Then we go to username, we can push from the JackTime software. User role, if you are managing this device you can select admin, otherwise just normal user. Okay, so we can go to fingerprint, scan the fingerprint here. One user you can scan maximum 10 finger. So normally we recommend to be use 2 finger, one left hand and one right hand index finger, so easy to scan for the user. After this we go to face, you press OK, then you register the user face. Thank you. So once face register done, then we just go to escape from here. So now our user is registered. I can use fingerprint to be scanned, or I can use face. If I go here, so face also can be scanned through. Maximum distance scanning of the face is 2 meter. Okay, so this device can access through the network or LAN cable and Wi-Fi. Press OK, you go to COM, press OK. Then if you are using LAN cable, then go to Ethernet. So you can plug in the LAN cable behind the device. Where is the jack of the LAN? After LAN cable, if your DHCP on here, you can off the DHCP, put your own IP, or you can on the DHCP, so device will automatically fetch the IP from your server. After that, you have to note down the IP and off the DHCP. Make sure you're using the device every time in the static mode, static IP. So you must off the DHCP and fill your own IP address as according to your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, just go to wireless network, press OK. Then Wi-Fi is off now. If I on the Wi-Fi, it will scan all the Wi-Fi that in the range. So scan ready here. So our Wi-Fi is checktime.com. Press OK. So you can put the password here. So this is connected to the Wi-Fi. But make sure in the Wi-Fi also you go to advanced function, press OK, then off the DHCP. Make sure you're using the static IP for the device. So anytime your router restart or your device restart, the IP did not change, so it remains same every time you're connecting to the software. For other setting in the device, you can go to the, if you want to check the capacity of the device, you can go to device system info and device capacity. So how many user is inside, device information, device serial number, firmware version, all those things you can check. Then just go off. Other thing, you want to download through the USB, then you plug in your USB here, then just go to USB manager, press OK, then download. Then you can download the attendance data from here, you can download user, you can download the photo, all those things from this to upload to the another device. So you want to upload user into from some other device to here, you can go to upload user and plug in the pen drive and direct to the upload here. Just go to user or user portrait, these two things you have to upload. So this is the normal things in the device. This device is model XFace 100. Maximum scanning distance is 2 meters. Thanks for watching.
Get your CheckTime biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.